Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make gyoza. These are what you need. 1/8 cabbage, because I had big cabbage. If your cabbage is small, you can use 1/4. Chinese chive. And Chinese chive is very similar to regular chive, but the leaf is flat, and when you cut it, it smells almost like a garlic. If this isn't available, you can use regular chive and you add extra garlic into the filling. 200 grams of ground pork, gyoza wrapper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, little bit of salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon potato starch, you can use cornstarch instead, 1 tablespoon miso paste, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Let's start cutting the vegetable. Cabbage first. Cut the core off. Take some leaves. Press it down. Make thin strips first. Then turn it around and cut it this way to make finely chopped cabbage. It looks like this, very finely chopped cabbage. Put it in a bowl. Then chive. Cut the bottom off just a little bit because it's dried out. And cut it in half. Put them together. Cut them in half. Put them together. And then you slice as thin as possible. And put it in the bowl here. And in this vegetable, you add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. Make sure salt is circulated all over the vegetable. Then you put it aside and let it sit for about 10 minutes to bring out the moisture from the vegetable. After leaving the vegetable for about 10 minutes, you can see the vegetables are wet and wilted. Prepare another large bowl like this. Take some. Squeeze really hard to remove extra moisture. And put it in this bowl. And here you can see a lot of moisture came out from the vegetable. Into the vegetable, add 200 grams of ground pork, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon miso paste, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon potato starch, which you can replace with cornstarch, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then you squeeze to knead until it's nice and glossy and sticky. And the gyoza filling is ready. Let's move on to the wrapping. Before you start to wrap, you put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in this non-stick skillet. You need gyoza wrapper, little bit of water, gyoza filling. You put 1 gyoza wrapper on your non-dominant hand and put half a spoon of filling in the middle. Wet the edge of the gyoza wrapper using water. Fold this in half, but you don't put them together. It's like a taco. It's open like a taco, and then using this rim closer to you, you're making 5 pleats. And this back rim is staying flat. So put it on your palm, pinch, tuck, press with the back one, pinch, tuck, press with the back one. Keep going, and you're making 5 pleats. Pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press. Seal it tight. So this side is flat, but on this side you have 5 pleats. And using this first gyoza that you wrapped, you spread the oil all over the skillet. Let me show you one more time. One wrapper on your non-dominant hand, half a spoon of filling in the middle with the edge. Tackle first, pinch, tuck, press. 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 Seal it tight. Flat on the back side. 5 pleats on the front side. I have all my gyoza placed in the skillet beautifully like this, and I still have some gyoza wrapper left, gyoza filling left. And when you have these left over, prepare a tray like this, put plastic film, and just keep wrapping the filling until there is nothing left. Okay, now I have no gyoza filling left, and I have 7 extra gyoza in this tray. Cover it with another plastic wrap and you can freeze them. The gyoza filling, this cannot be frozen, but this can be frozen. So try to use up the filling. Make some extra gyoza to freeze. And when you cook them, you cook it frozen. You can put it in a soup, you can cook it just like we are doing today. You can use it as you like. And I still have some leftover gyoza wrapper. You can freeze them. So seal it tight using plastic film so that it doesn't dry out, and freeze. Now we are cooking these gyoza. At restaurant, they cook and burn the bottom at the same time. But when you do it at home, it's easier to steam cook the gyoza first and then burn the bottom. That way, you don't have to overburn the bottom. You need some water. It's about 1/3 of the height of gyoza. Put a lid on because you're steam cooking it. Turn the heat on, medium-high heat, and cook it for about 5 minutes. After steam cooking it for about 5 minutes, you can see gyoza filling inside. The gyoza wrapper becomes translucent. You can see the filling inside, but you still see some water left. So take the lid off and keep cooking until there is no water left. When there is no water left, you add some extra vegetable oil. Just a little bit. To pan fry the bottom to make it nice and crispy. It's been pan fried for about 3 minutes, so let's check the bottom of gyoza. When you see those nice golden color brown at the bottom, turn the heat off. Then put a large plate like this on top of gyoza and then flip it over. Make sure you don't burn yourself with the oil, hot oil. Gyoza is ready. Gyoza is ready, so let's make some dipping sauce. You can make your dipping sauce as complicated as you like, but my dipping sauce is very simple. It's just vinegar, soy sauce, 1-to-1. Very easy. So I have 2 tablespoons of vinegar here, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And if you like spicy food, you can add a little bit of chili oil. Put some chili oil, and the dipping sauce is ready. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy making and eating delicious gyoza. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye for now.